Namaskar, welcome to my channel. Today is a very special day for many of our friends. It's Eid. So I would like to first wish a very happy Eid and Eid Mubarak to all my friends. May this Eid bring happiness and prosperity to you all and your family. Cherish every moment today. May all your dreams come true. I come from a cosmopolitan family and we celebrated all festivals in our childhood. I have carried on that tradition and I celebrate all the festivals with my children too. So Eid celebration always calls for a special meal. We always have our sweet vermicelli. This Eid, I have cooked some vermicelli custard with pomegranate. I will quickly share the dessert recipe first क्योंकि त्योहार में मुंह मीठा करना तो बनता है. So in a pan, take 1 teaspoon of ghee or clarified butter. And to this we will add half a cup of vermicelli. I am taking thicker vermicelli here. Roast them till they are light brown. While they are roasting, I will mix 2 tablespoons of vanilla custard powder with 1/4 cup of milk. Now as my vermicelli looks roasted, we will add hot milk to this. This will usually take around 2 to 2.5 cups of milk. Adding hot milk prevents the curdling of milk. If you add cold milk, it curdles sometimes. We will add 3 tablespoons sugar to this. You may increase or decrease this according to your taste. Now let's wait for the vermicelli to cook. This may take a little time. The thinner Sewai usually cooks in 3 to 4 minutes. However, this is a thicker one and may take 10 minutes to 12 minutes. Once the vermicelli is cooked, we can add our custard milk to this. Add it slowly so that there are no lumps and mix well. Now let it cook on very slow fire. Meanwhile, we can chop some pistachio for the finishing touches. Once the vermicelli is cooked, check for the consistency. This should be in flowing consistency. We can now add our raisins and pistachio. Mix well. If you want some extra richness, we can add 2 tablespoons of whipped malai or cream here. As the vermicelli has some starch in it and also some custard powder, this will thicken as it cools and will set as a pudding. Once it has cooled to some extent, we can now put it in our serving bowls. Garnish it with chopped cashew nuts and pistachio. The pistachios have a mild saltiness to it, which add on to the flavor of this vermicelli. Add pomegranate seeds for the fruity crunch. If you have nut allergy, you can skip the nuts. You can also add the pomegranate first and then the vermicelli followed by the nuts. This is the way my son likes it. Now this vermicelli custard will set in as a pudding in the refrigerator and always tastes much better when it's cooled. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it and Eid Mubarak once again. If you have any comments or queries, please do mention in the comment section below. So until then,